This is Hydrafacial Super Bubble machine, 10 in 1. This is front side of the machine. This variant comes in grey color. This is side view. This is back side of the machine. Now we have turned on the machine. There is a supply cable connected here. There is a switch here. Just need to on the switch. Machine will get started. So these are the 10 probes. First is the dermabrasion for the suction purpose. Here there are different bottles given. We can select the particular bottle, and from that particular bottle the solution would come from this probe. So we have 3 different options here. This 4th bottle is for the cleaning purpose. We can clean the pipe by selecting this option of the 4th bottle. Here we have to control the intensity of the suction. So low, medium, high, depending upon what kind of suction we need, we can change from here. Here we can control the water pressure, maximum to minimum. So here it is a suction probe. You can feel the suction here. Here are the 3 bottles. So whichever bottle you have selected, from that particular bottle the solution would come out. This is oxygeno probe. Basically we can do oxygeno process from this probe. We can use this as a massager as well, or we can connect the oxygen tablet here. We can control the intensity of the vibration from here. This is the cold and hot compression probe. So we can control the, we can select the option first, cold option, then control the intensity of the coolness from here.